Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down, go for the passwords and the security, and right now click on the Face Unlock. Right now we have to input the currently locked method, and right now we have to read the description, and after a few seconds we can tap on the next button. And right now the camera is loading, and we have to keep our face in this round circle. Click done, and right now we can try to unlock the device with our face. So as you can see, the face was recognized, and right now we can simply swipe to unlock. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.